welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to go over 3 Mac productivity apps that I really love, I use all the time. Check it out, you don't want to miss this. So before we get started, I want to tell you about an exclusive group of entrepreneurs that I'm a part of. Go and check the link in the description below. You definitely want to check that out.
All right, in this video, I'm going to go over 3 of my favorite Mac productivity apps. So let's start with the first one. This one is not quite like what you would think of as a productivity app, but I don't like seeing a bunch of icons on my desktop, which is why you don't see any. But actually, they're still there. So if I hit a key command, they all pop up. I kind of hid them all in this folder, but I have 176 items on my desktop that I don't like to see all the time, so I just key command them off. The next one is called Magnet. So if I come over here and click, I can organize my windows like this. You can also do like that, and 2/3 the screen and 1/3 the screen, and full screen. So that one's convenient. And then the final one I want to show you today in this quick video is called Cheat Sheet, and just hold down Command and it gives you all the key commands for any program that you're in. So again, these are all for Mac, and the desktop app thing, I don't think I told you what that is. That is called Hidden Me. So yep, there's that. All right, thanks for watching.
Hey, before you go, make sure you check that link in the description below for that elite entrepreneur group that I told you about at the beginning of the video. You do not want to miss that. Go check it out.